I'm here. Okay, say hi.
Guys, mommy, I go in the doctor day.
She will take a vaccine. And then my mom is there. I'm just waiting, and then we're gonna go inside. Oh my gosh. Hello. Come here. What? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Don't be too naughty. Don't be too naughty. I will take a video when we're inside. Okay, bye-bye. Guys, we're waiting at this doctor. Are you scared? Come here, Audrey. Come. Come here. Not there, still loud.
I want to watch it. I want to watch.
You will take a video, okay?
I want to watch. I want to watch to the TV.
What?
I want to watch to the baby.
So please, we're waiting.
Mama.
So there's the doctor. Mama. So, Audrey, come here. Audrey. We're waiting on the doctor. What are you doing? Yes, on this doctor. Did you say hi? Oh, come on.
Hey, come here.
Yes. Don't be scared. Wear your face mask. Naughty, naughty girl. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh, wow, look that one. Oh my god. Okay, are you happy?
Yes.
Look. Go. You're scared, baby.
It's okay.
Don't be scared. Are you strong?
Your weight is 23.5.
22 points.
Okay na, baby? Yeah, too fat. Ay, hindi to si 23.5.
You will go to doctor?
Later na, mag-uupat ka talaga sa bed dyan.
Going.
Ikaw.
Ano, what?
Ikaw. Ikaw. Ikaw.
Wait. Let's see how. Don't run.
Ito lang po. Isa lang. Ang binigay.
What? Don't shout.
Wala. Hindi na. Name ko na lang. And then dyan na lang yung name of the patient. Oo.
Marami kang pagdudugtongin, ma.
Kasi naman, nung umalis kami, temperature naman ako sa kanya is 36.5.
Awas. I'm waiting, doctor. You're scared. You're not scared, ha? You're strong.
Cellphone niya, kuya, o iniiwan ko sa sana.
Buka.
Password.
What?
I want that chucho baby.
I want that to baby. Dali sa kape.
Come here na.
Nahihilo ako.
Alin ang left? Total more by level.
Yan! Come on! Up here. Yan! Yan!
Naughty, naughty girl. You're naughty. Bala ko dyan. Come here. Naughty, naughty girl.
Yan!
Hello. Okay, so on this and then a bit is so naughty. She's so naughty. So hot. Oh, that's your telephone. Audrey, Audrey. Password. Love you. Love you.
I love you.
Oh, naughty, naughty girl. I will video later if Audrey is with a vaccine.